Well, it is morning in this beautiful farm in La Fortuna. The roosters are going off at like 3 o'clock in the morning, but that's okay, still got sleep anyways. Still no view of the volcano, you actually can't see anything right now, so I'm really hoping by so I'm really hoping by today or at least tomorrow before we leave that we get to see the volcano. If not, then I guess it just wasn't in the books for us. But back there in the hut. But now we're just making coffee. We're gonna wake Brandy up at around 7 o'clock or so and eat breakfast and then head out to the hot springs. So yep. As you can see, we got Mr. Goat there in his shed right there. Isn't he cute? They bring him out into the field over here during the day so he can wander and eat the grass and stuff. We got the geese and stuff back there, and then the pig, and like I showed you yesterday. But yeah, so Airbnb owner came by this morning, gave us some powdered milk for our coffee. I was about to run to the store, so probably gonna get some real milk anyways eventually, because it's better than powdered milk. But hey, so alright, that's it for now, and we'll pick you up whenever we're done eating breakfast and we're on our way to the hot spring resort. Okay, well, we're gonna try some soursop fruit here. I've never had it before, never have done anything with it before, so this is gonna be interesting. Apparently I should be able to rip it open with just my hands, so we're gonna try that. This is it here, freaking funky looking thing. There's a lot in this fruit though, so I don't even know how the hell we're gonna eat it all. I guess we're gonna have to put it in a bowl and put it in the fridge or something. But like, here goes nothing, I guess.
Does it bear a lot inside?
The whole thing is all white flesh, yeah.
Oh.
So here we go, I guess. Oh yeah.
Does it have a fin?
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
So this is what it looks like.
Looks like coconut almost.
It smells citrusy, like something, which is kind of weird. Let me sit down here, I guess. And I think they said you can use a spoon. You just kind of
scoop it
out. Okay. Here goes nothing, I guess. It's got a weird texture. It almost tastes like...
Is the texture like coconut?
No.
No?
I don't think I've ever had coconut though. Like the coconut flesh, so I don't know.
I have.
You would just have to come try it, because I honestly don't know how to describe it.
Okay. I will.
It kind of tastes like the fruit around the cacao beans, but different.
Okay.
And you do not eat the seeds. I read that.
I find their eggs taste sweeter too. That's why I was like...
The seeds are toxic, so don't eat the seeds in this. Well...
Are there big seeds in it?
Yeah, they're like black seeds.
Mm.
Got some seeds here in it. You don't eat these because they're toxic. But overall, I'd say it's alright. Not my favorite fruit, but I think that's just because I'm not used to this type of flavor. Because my brain's very much like that. Like if I'm trying something for the first time, it normally doesn't like it the first time. I gotta have it like a few times. I think it would be delicious in a drink. Yeah, this is bizarre. At least I tried that. Soursop. Alright. Well, we are on our way to La Fortuna Waterfall before we go to the resort. And then once we get to the resort, then we can do our 2 activities. Hang out in the springs and stuff and just go with the flow today. Hopefully we see some sloths today. And if not, then maybe we'll do the sloth tour tomorrow morning before we leave this place. But yep, so we're just on our way, and then we'll show you the waterfall whenever we get there. Well, we made it to La Fortuna Waterfall. Coming at the wrong time of day, as you can see, it's extremely busy. But hey, it is what it is. So we're gonna go do this. Today's gonna be a very wet day. Pretty much only swimming today. But oh well. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna get changed. Gonna pay, and make our 400 steps down to the waterfall. All right. Catch you on the stairs or maybe at the bottom, depending.
We have a water slide down.
I have no idea. We're coming up on the waterfall view here. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, cool.
So that's where we're going?
Yeah, down there, yeah. Look at that. Well, we saw the beautiful viewpoint, and now we're just heading down these beautiful stairs here. Hopefully we'll be able to at least jump in. So far this is beautiful.
Nice walls.
Yeah, check that out.
Did some work on the stairs. What a waste of time.
That's why I guess they got benches every once in a while.
And tables so you can sit down and have lunch halfway. I think that's the bottom right there, and there's just a ramp there. Somebody's taking a zip line. That's a nice little plush spot.
Coming up on the waterfall slowly but surely. Still got a ways to go yet, but look at this.
Out here. I'll check. Oh, I guess that turns into a waterfall too.
And now we got 500 steps. Well, we already did like 110 or something like that. So now we got like 390 more steps to go. But we're going to the hot springs after this, so it's not so bad.
Not 400.
500 steps up! 500 steps up! We did it! Woo! So now, for the rest of the day, it's just relax
I
time
don't know what they are.
and go to the hot springs and enjoy ourselves. And then go do some river tubing. Whoop. Catch you there. We are here. And we're going. Well, are we feeling fancy now? Yeah. Look at this. Okay, well, we have a game plan. We're here. The volcano is not quite all the way out yet, but it is starting to peak. Look at that beauty. Wow. Hey, I'm even happy with this. At least I get to see the majority of it, even if we don't see the peak. Because it was fully covered before. Now we can actually see the lava flow, where the lava flow grew back in. This is absolutely stunning. So now we're just waiting for the bus to go down to the tour place to do the river tubing. And then we're gonna do that. Getting on the shuttle bus.
I'm right on top of the wheel.
Yeah.
You had to choose this one, eh?
Yeah, I just did every time.
Hey, you didn't choose the wheel this time.
Not quite.
We got our helmets on, we got our safety stuff on, we're ready to rock and roll. Don, you look so funny with your helmet on. I don't know what I look like, but I know he looks funny.
Everybody, I hope that you're having a good day today. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention. If you see over there, we have Cato. Cato is one of the guys. Then we have Pablito and Gerardo. See, they are very good friends and very good guides too. So they're gonna be around you and they are going to provide you with tips. So come close to them.
Got my tube, now we're heading down to the river. You guys ready?
Yeah, hands down.
Oh my god, I'm going backwards. This is not good.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh. I guess it wants me to go faster or something. Oh my god! Oh, are we supposed to get out here? Oh, okay. Oh, awesome. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, that was fun. No, that's a hot spring. Wow, that was so much fun. Now we get to go up and do it again.
They may have water.
You gotta carry your tube. You gotta carry your tube.
I know.
Holy crap, eh, Brandy?
Oh, that was awesome.
Wow, did we get to do it again?
We do?
Yeah, we're gonna go a second time.
What?
Yeah.
Twice?
What? Yeah. Beautiful hot
Oh, I
spring.
lost my strap.
Uh-oh. Looks like you're gonna be flashing everybody.
No.
Next time.
No, can you fix it?
Hold on. Yeah, that was awesome. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now because the second wave's gonna be the same as the first. But yep, that was so much fun.
That was.
Now here's round 2. Pretty sure you're allowed one thing or something off the menu. I'm not sure though, you can ask.
So water to start?
Sure. Now what's included? Yeah, I don't know how this works.
Okay, let me show you.
Whoop.
So guys, you have appetizer, main dishes, and dessert.
Okay.
So for appetizer, we got for options, we got the cassava chips, Rio salad, Caesar salad, or ceviche. There are the 4 options that you got for appetizer. Then you can choose the main dish you like.
Okay.
And we got 3 options for dessert.
Okay, and we're allowed one of each.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
One dessert, one appetizer, one main dish.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we're done the river tubing. Now we're just in this nice hut here, getting ready for dinner or lunch, whatever it is. Probably a little bit of both. Got these nice menus here. Your love appetizer, an entree, and a dessert. Oh my god.
Yeah.
So that's pretty decent. So, yep. Look at the mohawk. We got the cutest mohawk.
Yeah, they're eating them. They're like turkeys or something.
What about freaking mohawks? Just going to check out this one hot spring before the animal sanctuary happens. And then, yeah. So, heading over here. Okay, we're just on our way to the animal sanctuary. And we're going to get a tour. Oh, look at him looking at us. Hi, buddy. Look at him. He's like, what the hell? Oh, the turtles.
Oh, wow. Look at his head.
Okay,
Oh, wow.
so we're gonna start with Guapo, our male puma or mountain lion. He's very old for his age, because their lifespan is from 12 to 15 years more or less. In captivity, they can live longer, like 20 years. But Guapo is already pretty old, and also he's a little bit sick. He has arthritis. So
Oh, hi, buddy.
Common. He looks more like our mountain lion.
Yeah, like Canada. Like in
Canada.
yeah. Ours are still longer furred than that, though, I think, a bit.
Yeah, but the face. I just mean that.
Yeah, the
reminds
face,
me of
exactly.
ours. Yeah.
So
Back
cute. Look at him. Cute. Hi,
They came
sweetheart.
right up to us at our Airbnb. Yeah.
Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Oh, the capuchins are so cute. Look at them.
be careful with your phones. Don't get them that close.
Yeah.
See what I mean? They always have that sad look.
Way up here. Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they look very sad all the time.
Yes. ¿Ustedes saben cuántas especies de monos tenemos en Costa Rica, chicos? Tenemos 4. Costa Rican mafia.
Oh, mafia.
Oh, yeah, because they get gang up, eh? They probably gang right up.
Awesome.
Yeah, they're pretty vicious. They can be vicious.
Hi. Look at you though. You guys are awesome.
Oh, wow, eh?
Whoa. Look at the teeth too. Like they got sharp little
Oh, no,
teeth.
they're nasty if they want to be.
Oh yeah, they'll bite your hand off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's already happened.
Look
before.
at it. Is that correct?
Yep.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Su cola larga. La usan como
Here's
una
a
quinta
spider
extremidad. Entonces
monkey.
pueden sacar su cola
Look at him
y
swinging
quitar el
across.
cítero. Entonces ten mucho cuidado.
Look at
Spider
you.
monkeys
Look
are
at
known because of
myself.
their large.
Look at it.
What, she's eating a piece of meat?
Yeah. Is it a he or she?
I don't know.
I got to see some of those fly over too.
I didn't get to see those, but that's okay.
Gosh, they're beautiful.
Hi.
They're so big. Look at them. Oh,
Ah, pretty bird.
beautiful.
Hey, you're a pretty bird. Yeah, we all know you're the boss.
Oh, I just love their colors. Man, it's my favorite bird.
Oh, hey.
Though I still don't have
Say
a chick to
hello.
make them. They do it whenever they want to.
Ah.
Ellos a veces repiten palabras como hola.
Hola, chicas.
También se ríen.
Oh, that one's eyes dilated.
Yeah, I saw
His
that.
pupils
chica.
dilated when you said hola.
Hola, chica.
Toucans are beautiful birds, but in nature, other birds don't like any other toucans. Do you know why? No. It's because of what they eat. They eat eggs of other birds and baby birds.
Oh.
Wow, I did not know that.
Los tucanes son pájaros preciosos, pero en la naturaleza otros pájaros no se llevan con los tucanes, ya que los tucanes se comen los huevos de otros pájaros y los pajaritos bebés.
Well, that was super cool at the zoo.
A lot of fun, dude.
And now we're just going to head back up to the main resort park and go enjoy the hot springs. So, yeah. Gonna get off back on the bus. Right there. The Springs Resort.
Wow. Look at that with the bar built in.
And there's the waterfall dropping off. And then...
Oh my god.
31.
Gracias.
I think we just need one, eh?
Yeah, uno solo. Solo uno.
What number are we?
31.
31. Oh my goodness.
We go get a drink?
Wonderful.
Look at the waterfall coming out of nowhere. Wow.
Yeah.
Another little bag.
Whoa, I almost tripped on my face. Way cooler. Wow. This is a lot cooler.
Oh, you saved this drink? That's gold.
I missed the step. I bet you that one's hot though.
Look at this.
And some like mohawk turkeys.
We got our round little
They're like
beautiful, man. I
a
can't get
mix
over
between
this.
chickens,
I
turkeys.
can't get over it either. It's pretty yummy.
Oh yeah, okay.
Don't think we can see our faces here. But...
Yeah.
Well, if we can't, we gotta go towards life.
Yeah, come over here. Yeah, we're in the street.
Oh, it's
Oh, I guess I'm a. Oh, it ain't waterproof. Money's waterproof. That's good.
yeah.
Yeah. I guess it should be because of all the
Well, good thing it wasn't soup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our money
Oh,
looks
man.
cool.
We
It's
got
way
like
cooler than
so
ours.
many springs to look.
The sky is clearing up.
Well, we got our super expensive drinks. Here, we're in the first hot spring of the night. With John over here with his drink. But look at the beautiful waterfall. Isn't that awesome? It's like 12 or 13 US dollars for this drink. And it's not gonna last me very long. So after this, it's beer. Because it's super expensive here. But it's beautiful. Look at this. Oh my word. Oh wow.
Okay, let me try it.
Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Pura vida. get Dawn one too, but I didn't have 3 hands. Oh, that's okay. Okay, that's one, and then we'll get another one.
For love scenes.
For love scenes.
They don't have no love scenes here. One has some privacy over here. That one. You just walk in. Another bar, but it's not open. Oh, look at it.
Wow, you went too soon. Go, Brandy, go, go, go. You're so fast.
Dive into it.
Did you lose your carpet too?
I almost went up and over the side, coming around the corner. Oh, too much. Wow, this is like an absolute beautiful place. We've enjoyed many hot springs. We're not even done yet, as you can see from the videos and stuff. Man, oh man, this is definitely the bougiest thing we've done in Costa Rica so far. The Pura Vida, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the freaking trees and the paths, and look at the, look, there's like another hot spring pool down there. There's hot spring pools everywhere. Oh my word. And look at this bar up here. I just gotta show you just one of the little side bars up here. Hold on. Because it's just unbelievable. Look at, this is a bar in this place. The Springs Resort and Spa, Costa Rica, La Fortuna. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. And then they have another little section over there, down there, with the fancy chairs and stuff. Oh my God. Absolutely phenomenal. So all I can say is this was definitely worth the money. $140 US per person. But it's $900 a night here to stay. So for us, it was definitely worth just getting the day adventure package. We did the tubing and the wildlife sanctuary. Really, we should have did the horseback riding instead of the sanctuary. But I'm really glad because we got to see the toucans and stuff. But, yep. And then it gave us two days in this place. But because we're leaving to the Rincon de Vieja region tomorrow, that means we can't spend the whole day here. But we're going to spend until at least 11 o'clock, eat breakfast, and then come here as soon as possible. And then tomorrow, we are going to head off to actually another hot spring. So there's that. And then Brandy was first telling me that she didn't think she would enjoy the hot water in the tropics. So what do you think now?
Yeah, I like these pools so far. I like getting out though and being able to cool off and go back in.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
As far as I can tell, like, because the Tabacon,
it makes the air cooler, like, than the water, right? So,
exactly, like, you know, you wouldn't think being in the hot water in the tropics would be ideal, but actually the hot water makes the rest of the tropics feel that much better, actually.
Yeah.
But at Tabacon, they had a cold pool. Well, we didn't go to Tabacon, but my research showed that they had a cold pool. I haven't seen a cold pool here yet, but honestly, we don't need it. This is fantastic. So we're just waiting for dawn, and then we're going to continue exploring the springs, and then I guess we'll catch you later. Bye.